Look at the. Here's the dry ice.
Hey, we missed the one.
Yeah, you didn't know.
Dry ice to spook up the neighborhood, man. What? Who's there? Such a geek. Look at that geek.
What?
Look at that geek. He's a geek. Look at that little kid. We're gonna scare him so good. Okay, get ready, Marshall.
Candy. Ah!
You don't want to scare the little kids at all.
No, yeah.
No, when I say little kids, I mean like
No.
9, 10-year-olds.
No, just do it to a 9, 10-year-old.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. Just don't do it to the little kids who are awesome.
6.
Like, I'm a lion. But,
Or like Superman or something.
yeah, Superman, he was cool. Or the chicken guy. I remember that.
No.
That was so
The
cool.
Spider-Man was cool. Okay.
Here's the chicken guy. We're making like a thing of the costumes.
It's a school project to see.
Just take 3 cans. I don't. Look at the Spider-Mans. Spider-Mans. You guys got scared?
Can you at least wait for the little kids to get out?
Yeah.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
What's your pumpkin, bud?
Cool costume. Is he a spaceman?
Uh-oh.
Hey, bud. Over here. Over here.
Happy Halloween.
Say thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, come
Oh, nice Superwoman. Here you go. Oh, okay. Here you go. Yep. Have a nice night.
Okay, I got it. Watch your step.
Anybody else?
I think there's a few more coming.
You know what?
There it was.
You're not scared.
Is it on? Is it on?
Don't touch the screen.
Whoa.
This is Confessions in a Person in a Box. It's been 4 days, and I might win the $1 million if I just keep it for 2 more months. I think I can do it. I haven't had food or water for 4 days. I should be dead, but I'm not because I'm in a box. Stand-up comedy. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side? Or talk. It's Halloween. Anybody who... And there's no one here. No one's coming by. Because we're in the back of the neighborhood. It's so... Oh. Getting bored. I'm supposed to be in this box and scare people. Who wants to hand me a piece of candy?
Okay, Jesus, you're like talking to me.
I'm talking to the camera. Because I'm trying to, like, do something. Oh, thank you. Ooh, what did I get? I got a Kit Kat. That's right. Yep.
So, how's Halloween going for you?
Fine.
That's good. How about you?
Too enthusiastic.
Good? And you?
We scared him so bad. 2 years in a row, baby. Should I go? Or are they too old? Oh, that didn't work. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. I'm going to Walmart with all my stuff on backwards. Happy Halloween 2007.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
I'm filming him, filming me.
Dude, come here, come here.
Is it the light?
Look at this. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, mine's too. Hold on. Okay, wait, film. Ready? Whoa, I'm like filming. Oh, sweet, there I am. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see JJ. Let me see JJ. Let me see JJ. See JJ. Okay, well. You'll see this on his video and mine. It's pretty insane, huh? Shut up. Hey, dude, I wanna rock. I want to rock.